Hey guys, what's up? It's Courtney back with another video. Today I want to tell you this cool, amazing training I have for you. It's completely free. It's down in the link in the description if you want to learn how to start affiliate marketing. And you can do this for free. The free training's in the description below. Completely 100% free. I make money every day from it. And it completely has changed my life. So make sure you check out the free training in the description box below. Click it, watch the free training, and let it change your life. So, I hope that this video will help you change your life, make money daily. Hit that like button, comment below, share this video, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and I'll be back with another video. Have a wonderful day, everyone.